Have you ever thought about what it means to live a good life? Today we are diving into an ancient concept called memento mori, a reminder that one day we will all face the same fate, death. Sounds dark, right? But it's not about being morbid or fearful. It's about living fully and purposefully. What is memento mori? Memento mori is a Latin phrase that translates to remember you must going to die one day. The phrase was originally used to remind people that death is inevitable. It's something we can never escape. Now you might wonder, why would we want to think about death? The answer lies in how this simple reflection can make us live better lives. The idea behind memento mori is rooted in a very profound truth. Our time here in this world is limited. We don't know when our last day will come, and this uncertainty can make us distracted and focusing on the things that don't really matter. But by remembering that we will eventually die, we are encouraged to stop wasting time, and it's a tool to shift our focus from the trivial to what truly holds value in our lives. Now this idea isn't new. In fact, it's been around for centuries. The concept of memento mori was especially embraced by the Stoics, the ancient Greek and Roman philosophers who believed that reflecting on death would lead to a more virtuous life. Philosophers like Marcus Aurelius and Seneca practiced this reflection regularly, not to depress themselves but to remind them to focus on what truly mattered, living with wisdom, integrity, and in alignment with their values. Why should we embrace memento mori today? So why should we think about memento mori today in the 21st century? In our modern world, that often seems distant or something we avoid thinking about. But the reality is, we still face the same truth. Our time is limited. We spend so much of our days rushing through routines, distracted by social media, or stressing over insignificant things. Yet how often do we stop and ask ourselves, am I truly living or just existing? By embracing memento mori, we start to wake up to the present moment. It's not about fearing death or becoming obsessed with it. It's about using this awareness to guide our choices and actions. Remembering that we will eventually die helps us to prioritize what's important. It's remind us to be present, to pursue our passions, to build relationships, and to live in a way that we will be proud of when our time eventually comes. So the next time you feel overwhelmed by life's distractions, pause for a moment and think memento mori. Let it guide you toward a life that lived with purpose, meaning, and presence. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing and sharing it with someone who might need a little reminder to focus on what truly matters. See you in the next video.